I am greatly impressed. I am greatly impressed. You don't necessarily have to go there. Do you know him personally? I very rarely eat meat. You have to eat regularly. The two boys dress similarly. Basically, I agree with your opinion. Look at it closely. Look at it closely. Candidates must be able to communicate effectively. Candidates must be able to communicate effectively. It was much worse than we initially thought. It was much worse than we initially thought. I didn't mean that literally. My success was mainly due to your help. My success was mainly due to your help. It's merely a joke. Do it gently. Hopefully the weather will be just like today. Hopefully the weather will be just like today. I am originally from Australia. He drives roughly. He drives roughly. Her English improved significantly. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. I checked it twice. She went shopping elsewhere. I obviously want to help. I obviously want to help. I am perfectly fine. She is young and physically fit. She is young and physically fit. He successfully passed the exam. I suddenly feel sick. I am truly sorry. This is altogether different. I will do it anyway. The door locks automatically. Don't sleep too deeply. I didn't do it deliberately. Jack readily agreed to help. He is a terribly naughty child. Fortunately, no passengers were injured. State your case briefly. It was moreover a waste of time. I was ill and therefore could not come. I was ill and therefore could not come. I sometimes watch TV. I really like it. I actually saw a ghost. Day by day, his condition improved. Don't call me anymore. I move aside so that she might come in. I move aside so that she might come in. I have more or less finished reading the book. I have more or less finished reading the book. He often helps others. However, I am not a specialist. I take my job seriously. I fully support your proposal. She can naturally speak English. It's nearly impossible. They visited me occasionally. That story can't possibly be true. Perhaps I can help you. The bridge is approximately 1 mile long. The bridge is approximately 1 mile long. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.